Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set the intonation on a guitar. So when setting the intonation on a guitar, the first thing you want to make sure is that the guitar is in tune. So I have my tuner here, we'll just quickly check. Okay, so the guitar is in tune. So next what we'll do is we want to put our finger and fret it on the 12th fret and strike the string. Now I would like to say that when you do this, don't press too hard on the fret. Just press with as much pressure as you would use when you're playing. Same with the picking. Try to pick where you play for most accurate results. I play around here in between the bridge, in between the neck and middle pickup, so I would pick there. As you see, they don't quite match up. In fact, when I do this, that's in tune, but that's lower. So how do we get it higher? If you're trying to adjust the pitch to make it higher, you want to move the saddle farther away from the pickups. You want it to go that way. If you're trying to make the pitch lower, you want to move the saddle farther out this way. And so, if I take a screwdriver and I just adjust this a little bit, about that much should be good. I'll have to retune. Okay, so we're in tune again. Now it's in tune. So if you want to tune it downward, as I mentioned, move the saddle this way, which in the case of this guitar, it would be turning this screw counterclockwise. And if you want to move the pitch up, you move the saddle this way, which in this case would be moving the screw clockwise. One other thing to note is sometimes there are multiple different positions that might be correct for the intonation on the bridge. So if you feel like you're going too far, feel free to move this back a little bit and look around for another spot that might work. A really good way to test this out is to just take your fretting hand and fret chords really high. If they sound good, you're probably in good intonation. Now I will make a quick mention, if you have a guitar like this, you may not be able to adjust the saddles like this. This kind of guitar, usually you adjust it from here, which might be a little difficult with the strings on. You may have to do it with the strings off, but that's how you would do it on this kind of guitar. Alright, I think that's it for this video.